Hello everyone! Welcome to my channel. Our yummy easy recipe for today is a suman or rice cake I learned in Mindanao. This is suman sa asin. It's not too sweet but flavorful from salt and coconut cream like the patopat to Ilocanos. If you want to know how to make it, just stay tuned and I'll show you how I make it. Let's start with a few ingredients: glutinous rice, coconut cream, light brown sugar, salt, and banana leaves, cut, heated to be pliable, and clean. Repeatedly wash the glutinous rice until the water becomes clear and set aside. Soak the glutinous rice for 30 minutes, then check the grain. If the grain is breakable, then we can proceed to the next step. Pour the coconut cream in an heated pan. When the coconut cream is releasing oil in the pan, then add the salt and light brown sugar and mix to dissolve. Then add the glutinous rice to the mixtures. Continue mixing until the glutinous rice absorbs all the liquid in the pan. Cover it with banana leaves until cooked. Set aside to cool down before wrapping. Cut one prepared banana leaves into two and put it in the middle to support the wrap mixtures, then wrap with banana leaves. Scoop 1½ heaping spoon of the cooked glutinous rice, then wrap. Do this with all the cooked glutinous rice. Let's steam the rice cake or suman. Get a big pot, put a steamer basket, and pour water in the pot. Then put all the suman or rice cake in the big pot to steam. When the water is boiling, then set the fire to the medium setting and steam the rice cake or suman for 1 to 1.5 hours. Let's check. It's done. This is best to pair with a coffee, hot cocoa, or even in snack time with soft drinks. Okay. Our taster for this week is my sister Zenaida.
It's good. It reminds me of the patopat of my granny back in when I'm still young. It's good. Great job with this. Please like, comment, and subscribe.